Hey friends, it's JonsTech here. I bought iPhone 15 Pro cases from AliExpress so you don't have to. I bought a MagSafe wallet and the FineWoven case. My thoughts on this FineWoven case is that it's going to be made out of a different material because it's cheaper. I'm hoping that it'll actually be more durable and less resistant to scratches, because we know the official one from Apple scratches so easily and gets stained easily. We'll give this one a test and see how it holds up. First of all though, because it's the easiest, let's start with the Apple wallet. You can see it comes in this little packaging, no branding on the box there. Take it out. We do have the branding, which is good. I think I bought both of these for £10. I'll put up on the screen how much they actually cost me. Here you go. This actually has a really nice looking texture to it. Almost looks like a kind of glossy felt. Feels really nice in the hands as well. Feels quite grippy and soft at the same time. So we have an example card in there. I guess that goes in pretty easily and slides out pretty easily. Overall, the build quality looks great. The stitching is really nicely done. Can't see any faults with it at all. Very tidy. Actually on the back, slight bit of loose stitching there and a bit there as well. Other than that, it's pretty immaculate. Let's see if it sticks to the back of my phone. There you go. Did the animation and everything. Oh wow, that's good grip. Pulling off actually takes quite a bit of force. Can you hear that snap? Pretty good magnet. Here we go again. Nice. Now the alignment, just kind of like chuck that on. There you go. It's actually, is that perfect? I think it aligns perfectly, you know? But that snaps on. You're definitely not losing that. That is not coming off. Wow, very impressed by that. Next, let's check out the FineWoven case. I remember reading the description and I believe it said this is actually made out of nylon. Gonna take it out of this Caseology Nano Pop. If you want to see a review on this, I've got a link to the video down in the description. Right, actually, let's first unbox this. So the box looks, well, it's trying to mimic how the iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven case looks. I don't have one to compare. I'll pop one up on screen, but it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Here you have it. It's got a similar texture to this wallet, but it's a bit softer. And as you can already see coming out of the box, there's already scratches on it. I guess that's what you get for getting a cheap case online. But it looks very nice. Bit of a gash on that side there. Kind of looks like it's already been dropped, to be honest. The buttons on the side are very wonky. If you can see that. Yeah, that's not great. There is some padding between the buttons and your phone when you pop it in there. The back of the case is also a nice kind of soft material. It's got MagSafe, of course. Let's see if the magnets connect. There we go. Connects very well. Let's scratch it a little bit, see if it, oh. It's like scratching a bag, and you can see there are some scratches on there. Do they buff out maybe? Nope, they leave a mark just like the Apple case does. Right, let's try and fit my iPhone 15 Pro into this case then. I'm a bit worried about the buttons being wonky. Oh, do you hear that creaking? It's a very rigid case. And, oh my god, it's very tight. The animation just popped up there. Oh god. I'm not sure if I want to put my phone in this. When I put it in there, you can see the animation plays. Oh my god. I actually don't think I can fit my phone in there. That button looks like it's going to rip off or something. Jesus Christ, I can't even pop it back out. Ah! Right, you know what? I don't trust putting my case in this. It's an absolute nightmare to get that in. And I don't really want to force it anymore because it looks like it might damage it. Oh my god. I can't get it out. It's stuck. It's actually stuck in there. Oh, it's finally out. Wow, okay. That is like a brick or something. Yeah, this is garbage. It's just some rigid plastic, zero support. I guess you get the animation, and it kind of looks nice, but then you still get the scratching that the official Apple one does. And the buttons are well wonky. I wouldn't recommend this at all, especially because it's come damaged as well. On the other hand though, this little wallet is actually perfect. I can't see anything wrong with it. It's great. Snaps on, no problem. Does a nice little animation. Yeah, I like it. So would I recommend getting products from AliExpress? Well, I wouldn't recommend getting this, but actually I would recommend getting this because it was super cheap and it's done a great job. And the finish looks great. The magnets are working fantastic. I think if you wanted this, you could save a lot of money and it looks exactly like the real thing. Pass for the wallet, no for the case. There you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon in another video. Take care, bye.